question that was 54 times 63 in a word problem, but everybody knew that to write down 54 times 63, and I asked you to solve it in two ways. I asked you to do either the lattice or the partial product, and especially the algorithm. That's the most important. That's the one that the district wants you to know, like the back of your hand. So first, before I even start a problem, you have to remember we need to estimate. So I'm going to look at this problem and I'm going to ask myself, 54, it's close to what? 54 is close to, what's an easy number that I can work with in my head? And that's about 50. And then I'm going to look at 63, and I said, what's another easy or compatible number that would go well with 50 that I can multiply in my head easily? And that's 60. So I know that actually this answer is going to be about, and that's the about symbol. Excuse me. 50 times 60, I'm just going to take 5 times 6 and write down that answer, which is 30. Now be careful, because don't forget that 0 there for the 30, because I'm going to next add my 2 zeros, 1, 2, to that answer. So I know my answer when I actually do this problem is going to be around 3,000. So let's begin. We're going to do 54 times 63. And I'm going to start in the ones place. So I'm going to multiply 4 times 3, which is 12. And then I'm going to carry my 1. Okay? And then 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 is 16. Okay, now I am going to go into the tens place. Now the tens place, I need to add a 0 since we're in the tens place, because 63, and you know this from your partial product method, is really when I'm multiplying 6 times 4, it's going to be really multiplying 60 times 4. But since I'm not going to multiply 60 right now, I've already added the 0 here. So I just need to, I already put this here, right? So I just have to multiply the 6 now, which is right here. And that's 6 times 4, which is 24. Oops, I'm sorry, it's so messy. Okay, I'm going to carry my 2. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 2 is 32. Now I'm going to add those. So I have my ones place and my tens place. I add those, that's 2. 6 plus 4 is 10, carry my 1. Notice that I'm lining up my numbers here too. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, and then my 3. And don't forget to put in that comma. That I noticed that today that a lot of people forgot their commas. So let's look on here now. Remember that it was 3,402. And I'm just going to 54 times 63. And I'm going to set that there, and I'm going to push equals. And it says 3,402, and that's exactly what I got. So for homework today, I want you to first do this particular problem, try to get my answer, and then I want you to just make up 2 by 2 digit multiplication problems for yourself and do the algorithm. You can also check it with either the partial product or the lattice, or something easier. Just grab a calculator and just see if you're right. And if you're not right, where did you go wrong? Figure that out. But the first step, even before doing that, I'd like you to estimate. Yes, so that's how you can tell if you're way off or not. Okay? All right, well, good luck and have fun.